So initially, when I had started with makeup, the most difficult thing was for me to apply lipstick. Like I was good with my eyeshadows, my base, and everything, but applying lipstick was like it was not easy for me. So today I'm gonna try this makeup hack which got viral on internet. So today's makeup hack is applying shimmer gloss over dark lipsticks. I'm just gonna show you how amazing this shade is. Just look at this. So beautiful, right? The dark lipstick which I'm gonna apply is this one. So I'm gonna apply dark lipstick first. So I'll wait till it's dried off. Now applying this shimmer lip gloss by NYX. Let's get started. I'm excited for this. Oh my god. Just look at the difference. Oh my god. It is super amazing, right? Look at this. So satisfying, man. My god. Will I wear this outside? Of course, yes.